reading about the historical articles on fieldfree.net or watching the TV series Alter Catch Fire, I had that kind of nostalgia that when I was a kid I was playing with my 386 and yeah, so I wanted to try again that feeling. So like right now you are seeing this one is an IBM PS1, which I never personally owned, but I had a friend who owned this, and even even at that time, it was like the 90s, and this one was a 286, so it was pretty slow and not cheap also. And then I made a little bit fun at that time, but I was amazed at that this kind of operating system that can load instantly. It was simplified. Well, simplified if you didn't know anything about the computing, and then you can type in Microsoft Works. So like right now you are seeing that I'm trying to restore the hard drive because this is an emulator is empty, the drive. So like I'm just trying to booting from the recovery disk. And then yeah, it just starting to copy. And this video look fast, but speed up 10 times. I took like 15 minutes to install this. The disk drive is extremely slow. So this one is IBMulator, and it's very interesting because of this kind of shader effect, which look like the original CRT monitor, and this kind of sound effects when there is a disk drive and the floppy drive accessing. You can listen this. So I'm liking this much more than PCM or 86 box. And also it's much easier to configure, maybe just because it just supports two configuration, the 286 and the 386 version. And so I'm almost done in configuring this, and that's it. I'm done. This one is you can see is loading the guide how to use, so how to take care of the floppy drive, and it's very funny this at that time this one maybe feel very future advanced. Okay, so that's it. If you want to configure this, I have a full video and a description. If you didn't understand the process, just write down and then I will answer you.